everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Let's get right into it. So listen, it's summertime. I'm a mother of 3. There is not enough time in the day, okay? Especially not enough time for me to worry about what is going on my head. So like you saw in the intro, I will be showcasing this beautiful brown bob from OMGHERHAIR. Now I'm gonna show you the wig in a second, but first I want to show you what came in my box. I have some HD lace cap. Now these I prefer. These are different from the one that I'm wearing on my head right now. These are the ones that are practically see-through. And I got a thank you card. So let me show you what the big deal is and why I like these 3D dome cap wigs so much. So the lace is HD, it's pretty transparent. So it's got these nice little pre-cut areas for your ears to go so you don't have to worry about doing any adjustment or any altering to this wig whatsoever. It's got this anti-silicone grip that runs along the entire perimeter of the back of the lace wig. And it's got this elastic bungee cord that you can cinch the wig tighter on your head. The combs are actually removable, so if you don't want to have anything digging in your head, you can take them off just like that. So let's get into this wig. Girl, I did not realize it was this pretty brown color. So listen, she's got a little swing to it. She's 12 inches long. She is already styled. She has pre-bleached knots and she comes pre-plucked. Let me tell you something. Thank you. Can I get a hallelujah? So here's a peek on the inside of what the cap looks like. I went ahead and turned the wig inside out so you can see for yourself. So because of that bungee cord, right? You could cinch the wig really tight. So I didn't really see that there was a need to do the ball cap method at all, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on. So listen, when I tell you, once you put it on, brush it out, pull that bungee cord in the back, you're good to go. It's done. It's already done. Tell me that's not a 5-second wig. I decided that I wasn't gonna make any further adjustments to the wig, so I didn't pluck anything. I just wanted you guys to see what the lace and the hairline look like as soon as I put it on my head. Well, this wig cap is playing peekaboo. So I went ahead and used my homemade wig spray. And when I tell you, stop wasting your money. Stop wasting your time and your money. Get you a little empty spray bottle, put some foundation in there and fill the rest up with alcohol. It covered so well, it dried so quick. There was no adhesive residue or anything that some of those sprays come with. It was perfect. Y'all need to do this for yourself. I just used a little bit of my foundation and went ahead and cleaned up that part and voila. So I'm tightening up that elastic strap in the back and I want to show you, look at this. Look at that. Tight. It's not going anywhere. It literally took me 5 seconds to put this wig on. I'm trying to tell you. So listen, because the wig was kind of brownish, I decided to add some freckles, girl. That's just what I did. So I got some spray wax and I wanted to go ahead and prepare it. I really love spray wax. I don't know why. It's been sitting in my drawer and I've used it just about every time I've ever done my wigs, but for some reason I have a newfound appreciation for wax. I don't know, it just gives you the look of really moisturized hair and edges without the heaviness of an oil or a grease. This is what the wig is giving fresh out of the bag. I decided that I wasn't gonna cut it. I'm not gonna add any layers because I wanted to showcase the wig in its natural state for you guys. So when you get your wig, you can be like, see, I'm not doing all those feathers and stuff. So you will get the same thing that I got. But you know me, I like a little extra volume. So I went ahead, I got some lifting spray and I got my hairspray and I'm ready just to add a little bit of a bump. And we're gonna dive into styling this wig. I've got my T3 curl, listen, I already know, okay? I'm just a bump. It's just gonna be a bump. I'm gonna add a little bump to this hair so it has a little extra volume because that's what I like. So this is what I got when I used the curling iron. In the future, I think though, I will use my Velcro rollers because they do give a little bit more lift at the root, which is what I'm trying to achieve with this lifting spray. I sprayed on my roots. I'm not sure if I'm feeling it now. I've used it a couple of times. I don't know. But look at that, doesn't that look like a fresh blowout? Now this wig is silky, okay? So it's not a yucky texture, it's a silky texture. But I don't know what that wax is giving a press.
Till the morning comes, we're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum.
And listen, let me tell you something. It's like 1,001 degrees in Georgia right now, okay? I don't know what I was thinking filming with this little cardigan hoodie in my bathroom. But it was hot, so I wound up taking it off. But look, you can see I did not use any holding spray. I did not melt the lace. There was no adhesives used on this wig. When I tell you this is the ultimate put it on, glueless, leave out the wig, come back home, snatch it off, throw it across the room kind of wig, I'm not lying to you. You can choose from so many different options on their website when I tell you it's gonna change your life. It's gonna change your life because you're not gonna have to bust out no hairsprays, no glues, no gels, no nothing. And then you're not gonna wanna ever do it again. But thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any questions about this hair, it'll be in the description box below. And as always, take care, be safe this summer. I love you guys, I'll talk to you later.